Okay, trying to capture more of what's going on here. Hoping that my camera will focus. It's pretty scary. We are in the path of a storm apparently. Wow. Okay. Yep. My camera is trying to focus on all the activity in the sky right now. They say there's golf ball sized hail, in some places baseball, and in some places grapefruit. Holy mackerel. Okay, well, my camera's trying to focus on all the lightning flashes, and I guess you're getting the idea here. You can hear that thunder. Okay. I'm going to have to get inside here pretty soon because it's getting ready to come right over. Not sure yet what's happening. We've heard that there is a rain-wrapped tornado. Okay, I'm back with you for a few more minutes. This storm is fast approaching right on top of us, so it's not really safe to be out here right now. I'm just trying to catch this right before I go inside. This is the same location I shot from before, but much worse now. There's a huge cloud coming right at us. Tons of lightning, so I'm going to have to go in pretty soon. I'll just let you watch nature's